The ceramic production process began with the extraction of local clay, an abundant raw material in San Gregorio. It was prepared in holes dug in the gravel, where it was kneaded and trodden until it became malleable. The mud was then molded. Sometimes the process was carried out by hand, with the help of tools such as stegas or smoothers, while other pieces were made on a foot leather to obtain more regular and delicate shapes. Once molded, the pieces were left to air dry for a period of time, possibly protected by portico structures. This step was key to avoiding cracks or deformation, as it prevented them from being too wet before firing. Then came the finishing: cleaning of the surface, application of engobes, varnishes, pigments, etc. These embellishments would be noticeable after firing. Finally, the pieces were baked in the kiln. The firing was precisely regulated, and defective pieces were discarded in the testar, a deposit next to the kiln. The result? Fine engobed or common ceramic crockery, used for serving foods and liquids, or covering vessels. The objects will be stored until they were transported to different places in the local area, using animal-drawn carts to move them along the roads. Everyday objects made from clay and fire will find their way to the tables of rural villages with a certain degree of autonomy, or to the towns that were part of the local exchange network.